Nikon's mirrorless Z6 and the 24-70 f4 kit lens in the unboxing. This sweet little set includes the Z6 camera, the 24-70 f4 lens, the FTZ adapter and a Xqd card. This big package arrived us and we start with the instruction manual, the lens warranty card, and at first the FTZ adapter to mount the older lenses with the F mount to the new cameras with the Z mount. We got of course a lot to read in here in many different languages, and of course the adapter itself. It is very light, what is a good sign. The body is made out of plastic and the bayonet connections are made of metal. At the first touch it feels like good quality, and we will see how good the adapter works. And what you can see there is a 1/4 inch tripod mount on the bottom. We make a short break and continue with the Xqd card from Sony with 64 GB. So this set is a good choice when you keep in mind how expensive these cards are. What we got next is the box in the big box, the actual kit. The lens awaits us, which is of course well packed in many bags. We already could make some test shots and this lens delivers very crisp photos, and don't be disappointed about the small open aperture of 4. The Z mount allows the sensor to be hit with a lot of light. What immediately catches the eye is that the lens has a kind of protective position, and that means it has to be turned with a bit power to start at 24mm. This kind of construction offers a very compact lens, what is welcome in my eyes. You can only take a photo when it is set to a focal length, otherwise the camera says there is no lens mounted. The weight is round about 500 grams at a length of 8.8 centimeters when retracted. The closest focus distance is at 30 centimeters at all focal lengths. And if you want to use a filter, you need one with a diameter of 72mm. Of course, there's also a lens hood included and a transportation cloth. And now the main act, the Z6. Of course many plastic bags, and here is the Z6 body. Compared to the D850 is this camera just a dwarf, but has also a nice handling. The sensor offers 24.5 million megapixels at a maximum ISO of 51,200, what is fantastic. The weight is 675 grams with battery and memory card. The battery is the EN-EL15B and you got one Xqd card slot. The next items in the box are a HDMI clamp to fix the HDMI cable, the power supply cable for the charger, an USB Type-C cable, the charger of course, and very important, the battery. A pretty carrying strap with the Nikon lettering and a manual for the FTZ adapter is also included. Last but not least, the warranty card. That's it so far, a short and compact unboxing for the 1-year-old Nikon Z6 in the kit with the 24-70, f4 and the FTZ adapter. We are looking forward to use this camera, especially for filming. And we will start our work with a review of Nikon's first mirrorless cameras. So stay tuned for more, and I hope we will see us in one of my next videos. Lightcolorshadow.com is a name for photography topics and a beautiful gallery to show you that I'm not only talking about cameras, but I can use them too. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye bye.